How to increase video RAM graphics without any software. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering and wanting to increase your PC performance and boost your FPS on your computer, in today's video we are going to teach you. So first thing we can do is, first method we can apply up is we can go to the search and type in device manager and open it up. And then once you open up your device manager here, like this, you may basically go ahead and look out for your display adapter here and expand it and find your graphic cards here. Now look for the one that you have and right click on it. After that, a menu appears. Look out for update driver, click on it, and you can select the option for searching automatically for drivers. Go ahead and click on it, and you can see it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, which means it is fine. Now close this up. Once you close this up, the next thing you can do is, the next thing you can do is, once you look up for your video storage, and if you want to increase it, go over and go ahead and type in Windows plus R, and this opens up on your screen. Here type in reg edit and hit enter, click OK. Just go ahead and type in and click OK. And once you do so, it will open up your registry editor. Just go ahead and give allow access. Let me just show you, close this up. So you can just go ahead and close everything up, and you should be finding this right here on your screen. Now what you need to do is, from here, head over, find HKey local machine, head over there, expand it up, and go over the software. Expand this one as well, and from software you need to go ahead and find Intel, click on it, and there we go. Now expand it up. Now once you reach over to Intel right here, go over there and enter Intel, right click on it, go over, click on new and click on key, and here type in everything capital GMM and hit enter. Once you do so, here under Intel, right click on it in this section, go to new and go over and select the option for DWORD 32 value, click on it, and here you need to type in this right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and type in whatever I'm showing, type in dedicated with capital in segment and size and hit enter. It should be capital as I showed for segment and size as well. Once you do so, you can double click on it or right click on it as well. Just go ahead and do so, and it will open up this box right here, and we're gonna make the value data according to this right here. So let me just show you a quick pieces before doing so. So here I have this description right here, so you can also look out for your RAM on your computer. So if you have 2 GB RAM on your device, you need to enter the value as 256, for 512, for 8024, and for 162048. So since I have 16, I'm just gonna double click on it, and we're gonna make the value data to 2048 as mine was 16. After that, you need to click on OK once you enter up your value for your computer, and close this up, and you can just go ahead and restart your computer. Go to the start button and go ahead and look out for this power option and click on restart, and that should restart your computer on your device and give you the changes you're looking for. And that's it for today's video. So if this video helped, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.